हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण अल्डिहाइड आणि कीटोनच्या न्यूक्लिओफिलिक ऍडिशन रिएक्शन याचा आपण अभ्यास करतोय आणि त्यामध्ये आपण सुरुवातीला दोन रिएक्शन न्यूक्लिओफिलिक ऍडिशन रिएक्शन म्हणून अल्डिहाइड कीटोन सोबत पाहिल्या. त्यातली पहिली होती ऍक्शन ऑफ हायड्रोजन सायनाइड, दुसरी होती ऍक्शन ऑफ सोडियम बायसल्फाइड. आपल्याला दोन्ही रिएक्शन छान पद्धतीने माहित आहे. आता त्यातली पुढची रिएक्शन तिसरी न्यूक्लिओफिलिक ऍडिशन रिएक्शन अल्डिहाइड आणि कीटोनची, ती आहे ऍक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स ROH, that is alcohol on aldehyde and ketones. Therefore, now our third reaction, the action of alcohols on aldehyde and ketones, that is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Now we are going to discuss the action of alcohol firstly on aldehyde. So we know that C double bond OH aldehyde when reacted with alcohol, here the two molecules of alcohol is required, twice of ROH. We can write as two molecules of alcohol. ROH it means alcohol. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Any example of alcohol we can take in the reaction. So the reaction in presence of acid H plus. So what happened in the reaction? In this reaction, this one alkyl group of one molecule of alcohol get attached with this oxygen. This one bond under is breaking, only single bond is remain. Then from another molecule, another OR that attached with carbon. Look at toward the reaction. When aldehyde reacted with two molecules of alcohol in presence of acid, the one alkyl group from one molecule of alcohol get attached to the oxygen, and from the second molecule of alcohol, the OR, that is alkyl plus oxygen, alkoxy group get attached to the carbon. So what happened? RC double bond converted to single bond. Oxygen get attached with that alkyl. Now this carbon get attached with this OR like that, and this hydrogen remains as same. This compound is called, generally it is called acetal. It is called acetal. So which product form after the reaction of alcohol on aldehyde? In general reaction, aldehyde when reacted with alcohol in presence of acid, reaction gives acetal. Which product? Acetal. What is the remaining? That complete OH, that OH and that H. So OH plus H, H2. That about the general reaction. Now after the general reaction, the first example, action of methyl alcohol. Action of methyl alcohol on acetaldehyde. Which aldehyde? Acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH when acetaldehyde reacted with methyl alcohol, it means two molecules of methyl alcohol. Similarly as the general reaction, two molecules of alcohol is required. So that is the two molecules of methyl alcohol in presence of any acid H plus. But important note of this reaction is reversible. This reaction is reversible. So the reaction carried out in presence of H plus. So according to general reaction, alkyl group from one molecule, that is here methyl attached to the oxygen, remaining from second molecule OCH3 get attached to the carbon. So what happened? CH3 single bond C double bond converted to single bond O, oxygen get CH3. So here OCH3 is formed. Now this OCH3 from the second molecule get attached to the carbon like that of general reaction. Now that H is remains same. So this is the acetal type of product. but acetal formed by the acetaldehyde, but that contain 2-methyl group. Therefore, it is known as, due to presence of 2-methyl group, dimethyl acetal of acetaldehyde. Dimethyl acetal of acetaldehyde, or we can write as dimethyl acetal acetaldehyde, or we can write as acetal of acetaldehyde. Both all these names we can write. Therefore, convenient name is dimethyl acetal of acetaldehyde. Remaining is OH and H, H2, water form as the byproduct. Now that about the action of methyl alcohol on acetaldehyde. Now what about the general reaction? Aldehyde reacted with alcohol in presence of acid reaction with acetal. What about the action of methyl alcohol on acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde reacted with methyl alcohol in presence of acid reaction gives dimethyl acetal of acetaldehyde. Now that about the action of alcohol on aldehyde. Now we are going to discuss similar action of alcohol on ketone. Now we are going to discuss the action of alcohol on ketone. So ketone having formula RCOR, ketone. When reacted with alcohol, so here 2 molecules of alcohol is required, as like the previous reaction, twice of ROH. The reaction taking place in presence of H plus, the reaction will be reversible as like the previous reaction. So in this reaction, again also, the alkyl group from one molecule get attached to the oxygen, similar mechanism as like the previous reaction. The double bond break and converted to single bond. Now the OR of the second molecule get attached to the carbonyl carbon. So which product form? R, single bond C, single bond O, attached with ROR. Now this carbon get attached with another OR from second molecule, and here R is remains as same. This is the product of alcohol and ketone, generally called as ketone. Like the aldehyde and alcohol, acetal, but ketone and alcohol use ketone, the general name of product. What is remaining again? OH, H2. So remember that what is the action of alcohol on ketone? When alcohol reacted with ketone in presence of acid H plus, reaction gives corresponding ketone. Now we are going to discuss the example, that is action of methyl alcohol. Action of methyl alcohol on acetone. Action of which alcohol? Methyl. On which ketone? Acetone. So acetone having formula CS3COCS3. That is acetone. Reacted with again 2 molecules of methyl alcohol in presence of H plus. The reaction will be reversible after formation of product. So here the alkyl group, that is CS3 from one molecule get attached to the oxygen. Now OCS3 from another molecule get attached to carbon. Which structure is formed? CS3C, single bond O, CS3. Now this OCS3 get attached to the carbon here, OCS3, and the CS3 remains as this structure is formed. This is the ketone, but ketone of acetone containing 2 methyl group attached to the oxygen. Therefore, dimethyl ketone of which ketone? Acetone. So called as dimethyl ketone of acetone. Byproduct again H2O. Now that about the action of the methyl alcohol on acetone. Use dimethyl ketone of acetone. Remember the reaction. Now the fourth nucleophilic addition reaction with aldehyde and ketone after the action of alcohol, that is action of ammonia. Ammonia having formula NH3 on aldehyde and ketone. Similar. Number fourth nucleophilic addition reaction. So when ammonia reacted with aldehyde firstly, reaction first, action of ammonia on aldehyde. So the reaction of ammonia with aldehyde gives different and different product. It depends upon which type of aldehyde is taken in the reaction. Formaldehyde react differently, acetaldehyde react differently. So therefore, there is a different action of ammonia on aldehyde depend upon which aldehyde is taken in the reaction. For example, first example, action of ammonia NH3 on formaldehyde. Action of ammonia on formaldehyde. So what happened when ammonia reacted with formaldehyde? So look toward the reaction. Very important reaction. Action of ammonia on formaldehyde. So formaldehyde having formula SCHO. We know that HC double bond OH. We can write as SCHO, formaldehyde. So when formaldehyde reacted with ammonia, so the for balance reaction, balance product, 6 molecule of formaldehyde reacted with 4 molecule of ammonia. When ammonia boiled with formaldehyde, when ammonia boiled with or reacted with formaldehyde, here the 6 molecule of formaldehyde reacted with 4 molecule of ammonia. In this reaction, there are many products are obtained. Firstly, that 6 of CH2, that 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen, that is CH2. We can count as CH2. How many is there? 6. That 6 CH2 and 4 nitrogen of the ammonia combines to give CH2 by 6. Where from the CH2 by 6? The CH2. How many? 6. What we write? CH2 by 6. And 4 nitrogen from ammonia combines to form CH2 by 6 and 4. CH2 by 6 and 4. That is CH2, it means methylene group. CH2 methylene. How many CH2? 6. Therefore it is called as hexamethylene. Hexamethylene. CH2 it means methylene group. There are 6 CH2 group. Therefore hexamethylene. And that 4 nitrogen. Therefore it is called as tetraamine. Hexamethylene tetraamine. Which compound or which product obtained when formaldehyde reacted with ammonia? When formaldehyde reacted with ammonia, reaction gives hexamethylene tetraamine. The another important name of this compound is, it is also called as urotropine. Urotropine. Hexamethylene tetraamine also called as urotropine. What is remaining? Here 6 oxygen and that 12 hydrogen. So we can write as 6 of H2O. Now the important is, now we are going to draw the structure of hexamethylene tetraamine, that is urotropine. We know that the product obtained the reaction in between formaldehyde and ammonia having formula CH2 by 6 and 4. So how this formula having the structure? So from the 4 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen is in the center of the structure. That nitrogen now linked with 3 CH2 firstly, as like this. All the CH2 get attached with nitrogen. So how many nitrogen is there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 nitrogen. How many CH2 is in the formula? 1, 2, 3. And 3 is remaining. So another is as like, another remaining CH2 as like, and the last remaining CH2 as like in the structure. That about the structure of hexamethylate tetraamine. So look in the structure, one nitrogen is in the center. That nitrogen surrounded with 3 CH2 first, linked with 3 CH2 firstly. All these CH2 get attached with nitrogen. This CH2 also, this CH2 also, this CH2 also. And that nitrogen connected with CH2. In this also, nitrogen connected with CH2. So structure contain 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nitrogen. How many CH2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of CH2. That about the structure of hexamethylene tetraamine, that is urotropy. Now the second example related to this reaction, that is action of ammonia on aldehyde, that about the second example after the formaldehyde, action of ammonia on acetaldehyde. So what happened when acetaldehyde and ammonia reacted? So acetaldehyde CS3 C double bond OH, that is acetaldehyde, reacted with ammonia, that is NH3. So in this reaction, NH2 group from ammonia, this NH3 as like this NH2H. So NH2 group from NH3 get attached with carbon, and hydrogen get attached with oxygen. This bond undergoes break. So what happened? CH3 C. That carbon gains NH2 from ammonia, NH2 group from ammonia. Now the single bond is remaining. O. That oxygen connected with hydrogen, H. The H is remains. That is the acetaldehyde ammonia. The compound obtained in between the reaction acetaldehyde and ammonia, that is acetaldehyde ammonia. But this acetaldehyde ammonia loses water molecule. That loses water molecule after small gaining the heat, as like this OH, and hydrogen from this NH2. That OH and H gives H2. Due to breaking of this bond, the double bond in between carbon and nitrogen form. So this structure obtained CH3. That CH, CH3, CH, but due to breaking of this bond, the double bond formed between carbon and nitrogen. Double bond NH. There are many steps, many products when ammonia reacted with acetaldehyde. Ammonia reacted with acetaldehyde in first step. What happened? Reaction gives acetaldehyde ammonia. Acetaldehyde ammonia loses water molecule and converted to CH3CH double bond NH. This is the imine complex. We got imine after the losing water by acetaldehyde ammonia. But this imine trimerizes. So what is mean by trimerization? Reaction of three molecules. Reaction of the three same molecule, that is called as trimerization. In between these three molecules, the another compound is exist as like this. These three imine molecules combine as like CH3, CH, NH, the first molecule. How many molecules of imine combines? 3. First is CH3, CH, NH. The double bond breaks for the further attachment. Now this NH attached with another CH3, CHNH, the second molecule. How the three molecules of imine link to each other? What happened? Acetaldehyde ammonia after losing water, it forms CH3CH double bond NH, that is imine. That three molecules of imine combines to each other and form a single compound. How the three molecules of that imine combines together? First, CH3CHNH. Here is a double bond. We know that this double bond, but that double bond break for attachment with the second molecule. Which second molecule again? CH3CHNH. Again that attach with the second molecule CH3CHNH. How this? CH3CHNH, and that NH again linked with that CH. So this compound is formed. That is trimerization product. Therefore, it is called as trimer. The trimer of that imine is obtained. Now, what is the action of ammonia on acetaldehyde? When ammonia reacted with acetaldehyde, reaction firstly gives acetaldehyde ammonia. How it is obtained? The NH2 group from NH3 attached to the carbon, hydrogen to the oxygen. This compound is obtained, acetaldehyde ammonia. But acetaldehyde ammonia, after losing water, how the water loses? That OH and that EH combines. But here the formation of double bond takes place. Therefore, that CH3, that CH, double bond NH. This type of compound is called as imine. But the three molecules of that imine combines together to form a single molecule. The process is called trimerization. Trimerization. Reaction between three molecules. Therefore, this three molecule trimerizes and form a single molecule. That is called as trimer. So the trimer of that imine is obtained as the last product in the reaction. Now that about the action of ammonia on acetaldehyde. Different aldehyde react differently with ammonia. Formaldehyde gives urotropin, hexamethylene tetramine, but acetaldehyde gives firstly acetaldehyde ammonia, then imine, and then trimer. Now that about the fourth reaction, action of ammonia on aldehyde. Our next reaction is remaining, action of ammonia on ketone. Now in the next video, we will discuss the action of ammonia on ketone like the acetone.